Hello everybody, my name is Victoria Lova and I am a former ballet dancer, an artist and a musician. I would like to welcome you to my channel and to my space of conscious living, where I will share with you my thoughts and my daily experiences that help me personally to stay focused and live a conscious life. In this video, I would like to talk about how people transform reality. And before I begin, I would like, as always, to remind everybody that I am just expressing my personal opinion, and you are absolutely free to either agree or disagree with me. I am always eager to hear from you, so do not forget to leave me a comment at the end, as well as subscribe to my channel and like my videos. So let's begin. Whether we realize it or not, all human beings, all people, constantly transform or create their reality. It is done simply with the power of our thoughts. The only question is, do we do it randomly, chaotically and irresponsibly, or we do it consciously and intentionally? If we do it consciously and intentionally, then we are able to change the energy around us almost instantly. All of us are able to change our reality quickly, without years of learning and practicing. If you change your thoughts, you might experience an instant shift of energy within yourself and around yourself. And if you will be persistent and start practicing constantly, you will quickly learn how to control your reality, how to control the energy. Sounds amazing, isn't it? Try to do it right now, just by thinking about something good and saying the words of gratitude for something in your life. Do it right now. Having trouble finding something to be grateful for? I will help you out. Be grateful for a warm, sunny day. Be grateful for your loved ones, your children, your pets, your place of residence, your job, a day off, vacation, beauty around yourself, or just an opportunity to have a good cup of coffee. There is always something to be grateful for. Then focus on your heart chakra and start radiating this energy of love and gratitude. Become contagious. Infect others with loving behavior. You have access to your heart chakra and to your heart energy 24/7. The field of your heart chakra, your heart energy, extends to almost 2.5 meters, which is a little over 8 feet. Imagine that your field interacts with other people's fields and brings them joy, love, compassion, peace, and unity. And when this energy mixes with similar vibrations, those fields become resonant, which is extremely powerful. Our heart chakra structure is similar to the structure of the universe. As above, so is below. Just something for you to reflect on for today. So we really influence our reality with our thoughts, and we are the ones who choose them. Try to avoid lower vibrations by redirecting your thoughts towards the positive scenarios in your life. Practice energy hygiene as well as you practice your body hygiene. Filter very carefully all the incoming information and choose what to accept into your life and what to disregard, to leave behind. Let me know if you found this information interesting by leaving a comment. Also, do not forget to subscribe and to like my videos. In conclusion, as always, I would like to sincerely thank you. It's time to make your move.